The Lord's King. Why do the nations rage and the peoples whisper empty plans? The kings of the earth take their stand, and rulers meet together against the Lord and against His anointed one. Let us tear off their bonds and throw their ropes away from us. He who sits in the heavens laughs. The Lord holds them in contempt. Then He speaks to them in His anger, and in His burning wrath He terrifies them. As for me, I have installed my King on Zion, my holy mountain. I will declare the Lord's decree. He said to me, you are my son, today I have brought you forth. Ask of me, and I will give the nations as your inheritance, and the ends of the earth as your possession. You will break them with an iron rod like a pot.